Stars are falling to your head. Stars are falling to your lips. Soul to soul and hand by hand, we are jumping from that cliff. We are flying like the wind. It was only crazy dream. You whisper you love me in my ear, and now we are jumping from that cliff. Fly, we are moths on the moon.
And this is my easy pancake recipe. Pour out the dough in a heated pan, and then you lift it up and just try to rotate the dough so that you make thin, cook really fast. So for my dough, I put in 1 cup of flour, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. So how to know that the bottom of the pancake is well cooked? You start seeing these dots. So when these dots start forming, it's time to flip the pancake. So I'm just gonna flip it over, and you can see, easy peasy. And to prevent the pancakes from drying up, I've just put them on top of a sufuria with hot water in it, so the steam keeps the plate hot and the plate keeps the pancakes hot. As you can see, I'm not putting any oil in the pan because I also added 2 tablespoons of margarine and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, so I don't have to keep adding any oil onto the pan as I prepare the pancakes. So again, every time I pour the dough, I simply lift up the pan, just roll it over so that the dough can spread. And it works best if you have like a small-ish pan. You simply try to roll it to form the shape of the pan and you get perfect round. But to be honest, I don't really care. And time to flip the dough. So the moment you start seeing the dots forming, you know it's time to flip them over. Easy peasy, the easiest way to make pancakes at the farm.